Welcome everybody. In today's video, we will look at another important advanced Python topic called if name equals to main. So what's that and why do we need it? So let's start by making a tut1.py file and another name underscore main.py file. You must never use the names for your files like name equals to main or any other keywords like print because they can cause errors. So let's start by writing something like print Rohit is a teacher, and then I will write print Rohit sucks at coding. So these two lines are there. So what I need to tell you is that let's say we have a function important underscore work. So let's say we have some important work function, a function which is very important. Sorry for this, I just mess up sometimes because of JavaScript. So now let's see, this prints this data is crucial. So we have these things. So let's say we need to write import name main. So this will first of all check the file in your current directory if it is present. If it is true, then it will run it. So let's say I need to write name main dot important work function. So let's see what it does. So as you can see, this is something weird. I only need this data. This data is crucial. But it is printing me Rohit is a teacher, Rohit sucks at coding. What's the point of these? I do not need these. So what do I do now? So I need something which will make these lines cut off, because when I import this imports all these code and runs the print statements and this function, but I haven't made any object, that's why it is not printing. But if I have made any object, let's say work equals to important work, so in this it is working fine. But in this case, let's see, in this file you see it is printing it two times. That's the major issue. So what I will do is I will make if, wait a minute, underscore name equal to main. What this does is this will create a variable name with a value main, and I will just write this code here. Let's give it a indentation, and when I do this, what this will does is, let's see, so it prints only this data is crucial. So anything which comes under this will not be imported into other programs. So in this case, this data is not imported. So this is practical use. So let's go on theory. So what I will do is, let's say what's the value of underscore name. So you must be asking, oh, this may be main. Let's see, this is main. You are correct. Wait a minute, here underscore will also come, but it doesn't matter more. You can have it any name. Let's say I say respect. You can have any name, see, but this will have value only underscore main. So that's why it's just you can say a way of a coder to just write it in this way, but you can give it any value. This is not fixed, but this is fixed, but it will have value only this underscore main. This means the main file which is in which it is present. So but in this case, when I run it here, this will obviously print the value of this. So you will be shocked to see the value. You must be saying this will be again underscore main underscore, but you will be surprised. Its value is name main, the file of the name of the file. So in this case, the name represents this file. So if you haven't understand, please go through this video, you will be understand it more better. I learned this topic watching 2 to 3 times myself. So you will be thinking everything done. No, there is a twist. Let's say I make a function main and store these values inside here and then call the function here. So you must be thinking, oh, Rohit is a stupid. Rohit sucks at coding. But no. The reason I call this here is if I want to use this function in any other file and at the same time I do not want it to run randomly. So what this does is, let's say I write this dot main. So you will be saying that it's printing all these things, all the crucial data, but at the same time if I do not use this, then it do not print them. So this will make the code easy to use, and it will make it, if you want to use it then use it, if you do not want it then you do not need it. So that's all for the if name equals to main. And this is our channel. We have stopped making machine learning content because I want to revise my content, old content, and teach you something new. So that's all for today. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you later.